I'm Danny the Robot Guy, and now that you found me, let's build some robots! Hi, thanks for stopping by. I'm Danny the Robot Guy. What I really like to do is find old objects like this and turn them into something cool, like robot sculptures. Follow me, and I'll take you behind the scenes. We'll do a little bit of treasure hunting, find some really cool stuff, and build really amazing sculptures. The stuff I like to build my robots out of, I don't find at Macy's or like really high-end stores. We like to shop in places like this, the other mall. This is quintessential shopping. Look how busy it is at 6:30 on a Wednesday night. Awesome. So like I say, you can never judge a book by its cover, because even in the other mall, you find really cool stuff like that. Like I said, hidden joys, hidden treasures from memory lane with our friend Lynn. Thanks, Lynn. So while we were out treasure hunting, I found this really cool late 50s, early 60s radiation detector, and I had an idea. And here you go, Dexter the Detector. We started out with the Geiger counter, did a bit of steel custom fabrication for his arms, added some old car logos, as well as some pistons from a Willie's pickup that's out back, some roller skates so we can get there quick. Bada boom, bada bing.
It's really good.
Did it work?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.